Hi, I want to talk again about multiplying two-digit numbers. Today we're going to take a look at what's called the FOIL method. Now, FOIL is an acronym. The F-O-I-L each stand for when to multiply some of the numbers in a two-digit times a two-digit number, and they help the kids keep track of which numbers they should multiply, in what order, and it allows them to do the multiplication successfully. The F in FOIL stands for the word first. The O is for outside, the I is for inside, and the L is for last. So let's take a look at an example and see how we go about multiplying a two-digit times a two-digit number using the FOIL method. We have a problem here. 36 times 74. What we're going to do is we're going to first take each number and we're going to split it up into its value. So if I have 36, the 3 has a value of 30 and the 6 has a value of 6. So we're going to write that in parentheses 30 plus 6. That is my 36. The 10s have a value of 30, the 1s have a value of 6. We're going to multiply that times the 74. And again, we're going to take the 74, break it apart into its values. So we're going to have 7 10s, which is 70, plus 4 1s, which is 40. And now we have our 74. So 36 times 74, we're going to change to 30 plus 6 in parentheses to keep it together, times 70 plus 4. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply that FOIL method. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply the first numbers. The F means do the first numbers. So the first number in this set is 30, and the first number in the next set is 70. So we're going to multiply the 30 times the 70. Now, I want your children to draw the lines just like I draw them. That'll help them to know what numbers to pair together. Now, when we do 30 times 70, we're just going to multiply the 7 times the 3, and that's going to give us 21. Pardon me. And then we have to add in our zeros. We have a 0 here and a 0 here, so if we have 21 with 2 zeros, it's going to be 2,100. Now we're going to do the O in the FOIL, which stands for the outside numbers. These two numbers are the numbers on the outside. The 30 is on the left, the 4 is on the right. So now we're going to do 30 times the 4. When we do 30 times the 4, again, we're going to multiply the 3 and the 4. That gives us 12. With a 0 on the end is going to be 120. Now we've done the first numbers, the outside numbers. Now the I stands for the inside numbers. So now we're going to go back and we're going to do these two numbers on the inside. Watch where my lines change now. We've multiplied both of these numbers by the 30, and now we're going to multiply both of those numbers by the 6. So we're going to change our lines and we're going to put them on the top now. Now we're going to do the inside numbers. 6 times 70. 6 times 7 is 42. With a 0 on the end from the 70 is going to be 420. And finally, the L is for the last numbers. The last number in this pair is 6. The last number in this pair is 4. We're going to do 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Now we're going to take those four numbers, we're going to add them together, and that will give me the product of 36 times 74. Make sure you line up your ones place. Always keep your place value lined up correctly so you don't add it incorrectly. We're going to have 4 here, column additional. Your rules apply. Look for doubles, look for 10s. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Pardon me. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. And the 2 comes straight down. And we get a product of 2,644. Or excuse me, 2,664. Helps if I can read. 2,664. Okay, again. Using FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. Let's try another one. Let's do 73 times 36. The first thing we need to do is show each number broken apart into its values. So we're going to have 70 plus 3 times 30 plus 6. And now we're going to go ahead and apply that FOIL method. We're going to do the first numbers first. The 70 times the 30. They're the first numbers in each pair. F is for first in FOIL. Okay, I'm going to put the FOIL up here so we remember what it is. Okay, first numbers. 70 times 30, 7 times 3, 21, and 2 zeros. 1 0 for each one, 2,100. Then we're going to do 70 times 6. We're going to do the outside numbers. 70 times 6. 7 times 6, 42 with a 0, 420. And then we're going to do the inside numbers. 3 times 30. 3 times 3 is 9 with a 0, 90. And then finally the L, the last numbers. 3 times 6, which is 18. Then we add. Going down here, all the zeros plus 8 give me 8. In the next column, 1 and 9, that gives me a 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Leave the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. And the 2 comes down, and we get 2,628 as our product for 73 times 36. Let's do it one more time. Let's do 95 times 27. Okay, first thing, let's break it apart into break each number apart into its value. 90 plus 5 times 20 plus 7. Okay, and now, remember, first, outside, inside, last. We're going to start with the 90. First numbers in each pair. 90 times 20. 9 times 2, 18, 2 zeros, 1 from each one, 1,800. Now we're going to do the outside numbers. Remember, the 2 on the ends. 90 times 7, 9 times 7, 63 with 1 0, 630. Now we're going on the inside, lines go on the top now. 5 times 20, 5 times 2, 10 with a 0, 100. And then finally, the last numbers on the ends. 5 times 7, 5 times 7, 35. Let's add it. That's going to give me 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. Leave the 5, carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. And we get 2,565. Let me put one more up there and give you a shot to do it independently. Here we go, last one. Let's do 46 times 18. 46 times 18. Go ahead and pause the video. Give it a shot. I'll wait. Alright, we're back. Did you try it? Here we go. Let's see how you did. We're going to break 46 apart into its values. 40 plus 6 times. We're going to do the same thing with 18. 10 plus 8. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply using the FOIL method. Remember, the first two numbers, 40 and 10. Lines go on the bottom. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 zeros, 400. Then we're going to do the outside numbers. The outside numbers, 40 and 8. 4 times 8, 32 with a 0, 320. Now we're going on the top and we're going to do the inside numbers. 6 times 10. We know 6 times 10, that's going to be 60. And then finally, the last numbers, the two that are on the right. 6 times 8, 48. And when we have our four numbers, we can go ahead and add those and get our product for 46 times 18. 1's column is an 8. 10's column, we have a 4 and a 6, that's a 10. 10 plus 2, there's 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And we get a product of 828. I hope you were able to do that. If not, practice, practice, practice. Let mom, dad, grandma, Aunt Mary, whoever you stay with, let them write some problems for you. You keep working them out. Hit rewind. You'll get it sooner or later, okay? Always work hard. Always pay attention. I'll see you next time.